My name is Robert from Nicxon International Solutions, and for this video we are going to learn about CRM leads in Nicxon ERP system. First thing, after we open our dashboard, we go to CRM from the sidebar, and this is the page we are seeing. Click on Add Lead, and we can fulfill the information of our lead or potential customer. Lead information is including the name, email, phone, source, and notes if you have any. The source is where at first we found this information of this potential client, and the notes is optional to us. The lead status, by the default, obviously this is the new lead, so we have new. Next follow update is when we want to contact them in the future, so we save the lead. Here is our lead. If we click on view, we can have the information of our lead. The comments are for when we have contacted this potential client or customer. We can input our data, what happened in that during that session and what was decided. By the default, the contact occurred today, so it means you are giving the reports after the contact has been made. But in case, for example, the contact was made in the yesterday or 2 days ago, any date before, and you forgot to put the comments, you coming here right now to put the comments, you can uncheck this one and select the date. Let's say today it was. We put the new comment like this, and we submit the comment. And the person who submitted the comment, the information of them will be here. And this is the comment. Obviously, the contact attempt was occurred because this contact was in the day, so this date is matching the date that was comment made. In case, for example, let's say yesterday I was contacted but I forgot to put the comments, and I came here to do the comment right now. I uncheck the contact occurred today. When we submit it, as you can see, this was happened on the 29th, but there is no contact attempt. It means the date that this comment was posted, it was not matched the date the contact has been made. In this way, the admins of the website can validate their employee attempts. Here we have the verification if the attempt was today or another date. And then also you have the option to convert this lead to your clients in case, for example, everything is going smoothly and you want to convert it to a client in order to make them invoice or a estimates proposal and so on. You need the information of them inside your contacts list. So you click on the convert, all the information automatically in here. In case you need to add additional information, you can do it here, and you click convert. After the converting is done, and you go to contacts, you would see client information is already here. We back to CRM, and this is all about the CRM. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.